Few things to talk about this thing. It will be less than 30 minutes. It's just a short thing, only to uh, let you know one or two things. Uh, Going forward, no. You make sure the other course so um ahead of us. I am not here to talk about that Joker's conspiracy. I am not interested in that Joker's stuff. I am interested how we can move this country forward. It's probably ringing on your mind how it's happening, and that I am here this evening saying this is of a thought to you. But I'm here to announce to you that nobody, I repeat, nobody, nobody ever stop us from talking. You can be whoever you call yourself. You can be anybody. But the point is that Oketia no nso nkyɛn Ghana. Ɛna Oketewa so nsa nkyɛn Ghana. The most important thing ever ɛne sɛ yɛbɛbɔ ɔman yɛn ho. Nobody will come from anywhere to do that for us. We are president too, vice president too, IG, the executive officer. So what bomb? Bomb, 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 bomb. Make a vow. Said Ghana, ɛyɛ ɔman a ɛsɛ nka by now. Ɔman a aka no wotu mmirika ba ha. Ɛpɛ baabi da. Wotu mmirika ɛbɛpɛ aduane di. Wotu mmirika aduane a. Ɛsɛ sɛ wotu mmirika bɛgye dwa wɔ Ghana ase kɔ. Yɛn wa ne sɛ na abɛyɛ. Na wokɔ kaa. Yɛsɛ dɛ ɛbɛ sɔto hwan. Ne kwa di agorɔ. Kankyerɛ mu a. Di agorɔ. What I have started 1%, 100%, just 1%. Saa fire na ɛno nti what na wɔtaataa kwakuten ne just 1 of 100. Egya na ɛbɛyɛ hubunta. Ɛsɛ sɛ wabɔn a yɛbɛka kyerɛ sɛ wabɔn. We need to fix this country. And And you made your statement here. I just want you to know, by the grace of God, an official license has been secured to operate a full television station. But I want you to also be aware the page, indeed, in these 10 minutes, so we officially put up Smart TV. A lot of space for it. It's not only going to be on Facebook. We bought some of the equipment already. Cameras are coming. Consoles and all other, the professionals are writing them. And we get all the equipment. We would also have another radio station in addition. But I just want to announce to you that this smart TV and smart TV, I know what CLS. More camera person fearlessly unstoppable. When you team smart TV, no fear. Just share the space. Tell the people that smart TV, the setup that is going on, you'll be on your TV screen, not only on Facebook. Putting things together, bam, bam. Very, 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 very soon. We'll have it. Wherever I'll find myself. It will be Smart TV, and then it will be on this Facebook page. There's a Smart TV. So, I want to say you'll be my country. We'll be my country. Data will be in and right. I am a member of Look, me, I want to say this. I would never insult you, but I would tell you it hurts. Truth hurts. I know. Oh, so you're torn. I told you. Bra, Ukoko. What will ask the president and the vice president? I'm going to be down. He's going to how many hours? This is what we are talking about. People want to sit in the comfort of the home, the air conditioning, and then talk nonsense in this country. I think I care. I don't care. I care about Ghana. And I'll keep talking today. I'll keep talking. What's your memoir? Your book with you said you come on Coco. Because you put an Ampuri as an IGP in this country. You who Patrick Atampo, you could 4 times as I see IGP. You know what I'm saying? I mean, your book police by heart. I didn't try. The only veranda we are there. Yes. You can't see it. Somebody should tell the vice, I am not against you. Look, man town. Jimmy, what? Do you hear me say? You are the head of economic management, and that position now, constitution, and your position, get well. The catcher Mahama said, if you say that 69% of our GDP, entire 69% of our GDP. The catcher said, Mahama, wabon pa. But doc, we are economists, we are financial guru. What deputy and then you have the what is it? No, 76.1% of our. Are you happy, man? Tell me. About me for me. Are you happy, man? Yeah, bro. Me that cool. Let's see by that document. The name a finance and I prepared that document and what the Bible thing. And that's a one catalog document now. Patrol. We're a happy person. All kinds of documents now. We're happy now. Meaning that when you're happy. And you know, you're purely bomb. Next year, so we Your Excellency, Narado, I voted for you. And I'll keep saying that. Found podium says yes, and say, that's an interplane, blah. Yes, that's a way and one yam. Because the under way, oh, yeah, dear, Obeka. Woba, but you could tell it. So, Obama, yeah, dear, oh, Madu, a man, Memanum, yeah, your rock. Your cookie. I didn't say yes, your mama, yes, we yank when in Bebenyam. We in year can when in Bebenyam. That's to announce to you that we are moving to the next level. The next level. Yes. You better call the next level. And going forward, no. That's when our more stations are. 200, 300, 400. And my politician be calling move now. Yeah, my politics is trying. But then I came to announce our moving up. Now watch this and listen to this. Kwame Nkrumah, when it is denied or too long, violence will break out here and there. The accumulated grievances with Iraq. I am not asking for change of leadership, but I am asking for change. What we are doing now, style of leadership, you know, SSS. Nana, SK 3 SHS alone is not enough. obi aka kyerɛ wo a mɛka kyerɛ wo nkurɔfoɔ wie sika yɛpɛ sɛ wote wɔ wɔsɛ wonyɛ sika nyɛ fi yɛ sika sa over $1 bɔtɔm wɔn yɛn nkɔla nketenkete yɛ bɔbɔ a yɛ wɔ saba na mete adom over $4 billion iyo kwesịrị weta a little above half a billion ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ wie na ɛhyehyɛ wɔn so no woyɛ happy sɛ wote ya agreement hwɛ sɛ de afei ne sɛ waa party a wowɔ mu president odi wɔsate affordable housing wobaɛ wode wo atake asɔre yɛ ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɔkɔdwiri nyina wɔde sikae prefect saa ne yɛsi sikae prefect saa ne yɛdwiri ni ma to guo mmoa ɔdeɛ wɔyɛ adeɛ wosa bɔ ndi dom sɛ ɔmɛdi bi papapapapapa yɛn tenatena hɔ bio mu this is our nipa 275,000 this is our time we need to rise down menkɔsɛe obi adeɛ menkopira obi no I will rise to demand accountability. We are rising to say that your kwan no fix it. Fix it. Your hospital fix it. You see after the hospital if you want. What was that one kasa wo ye bebu no wodi kwan ye ye kasa wanum bada or ke kasa konkom na ko so ukrom kwan at what support. And what we're saying again is that we are the papa ye be kasa wa ya de we are the bonin so a ye be kasa. I will keep firing young politicians bi afi nkɔbɔ ne punu ti sɛ ɔyɛ politician na wɔyɛ galamsey ɛbɛka ɔsɛbi go and stop the steady galamsey stop the steady galamsey stop it na yɛhu sɛ yɛn a yɛdii wɔti first galamsey war second time yɛn make sure is there to announce to you I am not worried. Did you anywhere harming? I am a happy man. Everybody is here. And I can say it. It's going to cancel. Oh dear. Hey. That is what I'm sure of it. Total silence. Whatever happened to me, silence. We would save this country at all. Nana Donald Kata and say, yes, it's a common day in you. Matthew. Well, yes, Matthew, you know what? We can fearless, which means no fear. You're fearless. Yeah, it's just get a sort we move on. Yes. Well, bless you. Extra. I think that and we'll show you areas and how we put the team let's go work here. Don't forget, we're going to announce the online so for you where you can saying you put that one also together for that one. So now you have the Facebook account that tell you the tomorrow, so many other things that will happen. And the captain beaters, uh, uh, all things smart beaters, and then the that one is also coming. Will tell you, will show you the smart water, and then you will have that one, and then the smart ginger drink, the smart coconut drink. You have all those things. And so we are making to come and find your back. Before this, but you're coming to the one watch on so soon. Come on.